My dental history is basically can be summarized up in 2 words: anxiety and poor dental hygiene. When I was a child, parents would take me to a elder cousin who was a dentist who had old equipment, and I remember the pain and even my father one time holding me down so I could have the dental care done. I had orthodonture work, and I went there, and my teeth when I finished were straight and beautiful and everything, but then I tended not to go back to the dentist unless I had a problem. I used to joke around that I was a decade man, you know, and I would go to the dentist, you know, when I had the problem rather than preventive care. One of my best friends who was making rounds in a hospital in Philadelphia, and I had such pain I couldn't talk to the patients because the air rushing in would cause such pain. The anxiety when, you know, once I got, you know, getting from the car to the door, once I was in the office, sitting in a chair, I was okay, but it was the anxiety to get there, so I didn't go. Then I used to, you know, flying and, you know, looking in the airline magazines, I would see about the PI Institute and Teeth in a Day. And I often thought about that, but, you know, I didn't do anything. And then Dr. Balshi called me because of his relationship to Temple University and what we're doing with Temple University School of Medicine. And I told him that, you know, I've been meaning to talk to you, and I told him about my problem over the phone, and he said, you know, when you come, let's meet and we'll take care of both situations, the dental school information that we wanted to talk about, plus my own personal care. When I came here for my initial visit, I was so impressed. I mean, and I decided this is what it's going to be. My biggest problem now is I have to learn how to smile again. I mean, for 15 years it was, and now it's, and you know, I'm just delighted. I mean, and I wish I would have done it sooner. I walked out of here, I was absolutely delighted, as was my wife, who, you know, took me home. I had minimal swelling, taking the supplements and all. I didn't have any bruising except for about a size maybe of a nickel right under here, and you may be able to see a little bit left, but that's about it. And so, you know, no raccoon eyes, no big jaws or anything else. And I had this done on a Thursday and was back at work on Monday. You know, I'm a vascular surgeon, and I have been telling everybody that I have not met an office never seen an office like this before. Everybody just is so welcoming, so considerate, and everybody works together. I mean, it's really a well-functioning office. My daughter got married a year ago, and when she saw this, how great the teeth look and all, and she said, you know, I wish we could take the wedding pictures over so that you could smile with your teeth, showing your teeth rather than that closed smile. So I guess maybe the only regret I have is that why didn't I do this sooner?